Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change theme of keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A25. Okay guys, so if you feel bored with your keyboard theme, that is just that, then you can change it guys, of course. And how to do that is very easy, so now I will show you how. Okay, first thing first, I will open the application to show the keyboard such as Notepad on this phone. And as you can see that the theme of this keyboard is plain white. And now I'm gonna change it guys. Okay, first thing is you can go to settings, keyboard, like this. And then now you can go to a theme. So yeah, here are the themes that you can choose one of them, and I will choose about this one, this gradient color, and then it must be download first, and after that you can click apply. So yeah, now we check together, and the theme will be instantly applied on your keyboard guys. So yeah, here's the tutorial on how to change the theme of keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A25, and then thank you so much for watching.